Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Here's an in-depth look at the ongoing developments around Portugal's nationality law as of July 10, 2025, highlighting recent good news and the current parliamentary discussion. Glowing star: good news for citizenship seekers. No immediate changes to Golden Visa. Despite proposals, there have been no legal changes yet. The Golden Visa program remains unaffected for now, with current rules still in place, including eligibility for citizenship after 5 years of residency, while Golden Visa a delay in implementation. On July 9, Parliament postponed further discussion of the draft law and sent it back to committee for refinement. The expected timeline for a vote has shifted to after the summer, likely September 2025. Retroactivity blocked. Key legal experts, including constitutional stalwarts like Jorge Miranda, have flagged the draft's retroactive application as unconstitutional. As a result, the government pulled back from immediate enforcement, shielding existing applicants. Latest from Parliament. What's being debated? 1. Residency requirement. The government's draft seeks to extend residency for citizenship from 5 to 10 years for most foreigners, while nationals from CPLP countries, e.g., Brazil, Angola, would require 7 years. Counting the residency period would begin when the first residence permit is issued, not the date of application. 2. Enhanced integration measures. Introduction of a basic level A2 Portuguese language test, a civic knowledge assessment, culture, rights, civic duties, and stricter criminal record evaluation. 3. Closing specific routes. Ending the Sephardic Jewish ancestry path, previously used by tens of thousands, and tightening ancestry-based claims to within 3 generations and requiring evidence of connection to Portugal. 4. Citizenship revocation. Granting judicial authority to revoke nationality for those convicted of serious crimes, e.g., prison sentences of 5 years or more within 10 years of naturalization. 5. Immigration enforcement overhaul. The creation of a new national unit, UNEF, within the Public Security Police to streamline borders and immigration. Tightening rules on family reunification, job seeker visas, and deportation. Liaise with immigration authorities. Stop sign: why Parliament is proceeding with caution. Constitutional concerns. The proposals potentially breach constitutional protections on equality, legal certainty, and retroactivity. The political dynamics. The government lacks a majority and relies on Chega's support, prompting intense debates. Oversight bodies like the President and Constitutional Court are closely monitoring. Public response. Over 7,500 citizens signed petitions opposing the changes, leading to the revised proposals being drawn back to the committee for broader political consensus. Calendar timeline and what to expect now. For committee review. Ongoing discussions within the parliamentary committee post the July 9 session. Summer recess. Parliament adjourns the week of July 17 September, likely delaying any vote until autumn 2025. Public hearings. Additional hearings scheduled, expected to bring in civil society and expert feedback. Compass: should applicants be concerned? 1. Short answer: no urgent changes needed. If you applied before June 19, 2025 under existing laws, your 5-year path to citizenship should still apply. For new applicants, The current legal regime remains effective until any law is officially passed and signed. 2. Proactive advice. If starting now, act swiftly, lock in current regulations before any future tightening. If already in process, continue under existing rules with confidence. Monitor developments as committee reviews approach. Fountain pen conclusion. As of July 10, 2025, no law changes have occurred. The golden visa remains. Parliament is refining proposals. Possible long-term changes include residency duration, language tests, and enforcement. However, these changes may face constitutional checks and public feedback. For those pursuing Portuguese citizenship, there's still an opportunity. Apply now to keep favorable eligibility terms. If you need help understanding specifics or impacts for CPLP applicants, let me know. Thank you for watching this video.